Well, Memorial Day weekend. Got my pecan fire going. Got my smoker preheated. You can't really see it. There you go. As soon as that temperature settles down, brisket. It's going to be a project, guys. It's going to be ongoing for hours, so we'll keep you posted. Got the meat on the smoker. It's hard to see on video, but look at that wonderful pecan smoke rolling out. It's going to be good, guys. I've only been smoking for an hour now. I've been maintaining my temperature at 250 for the brisket. But the reason I'm doing this little update is I want to show you something. Now that is smoking. 2 hours in. Ain't that looking good? Hour number 6. The meat temperature is good. You get a little black around the edges, so I put what they call a Texas crutch on it, that tin foil you see there, kind of like you do a pie crust. I just smeared on some barbecue sauce. Give it about 30 minutes for that to bake in, and we'll be good. And there we go, guys. Fresh out the smoker. I'll take this in, slice it up, have some dinner. Finished product, all sliced up. Look at that. Now we're going to bathe it in barbecue sauce and have some dinner.